Hello students, welcome back. Today we will be learning about multiplication of algebraic expressions. So I will start with few examples only. First we will do the multiplication of a monomial with a monomial. You all know what is a monomial. Expression which has only one term. So let us multiply 6xy multiplied by 2x square y. Now, do we multiply? We see there are two constant terms, 6 and 2. So 6 will be multiplied by 2. Like variable x will be multiplied by x square and y will be multiplied by y. So 6 into 2 is 12, x into x square. It is x is per 1 actually. So 1 plus 2 it will become 3. You all know the exponent rule. Base same, powers add up. Then y 1 plus 1 will become 2. This is the answer. This is how we multiply a monomial with a monomial. Let us take an example in which I have three terms, 2ab, three monomials multiplied by 4a square b multiplied by 6a square bc. So let us see how we will multiply. So 2 into 4 into 6 multiplied by a into a square multiplied by b into b and then c is only 1. So what will be my answer? You can directly also write your answer. It's 2 into 4, 8, 8 into 6, 48. A will be a raised to the power 5. B will be b raised to the power c 3 and c is as it is. So that's the answer. I hope this is clear. This was the multiplication of monomial with monomial. Let us now start with multiplication of a monomial with a binomial, trinomial, like that. So let's consider first example when we have to multiply a monomial with binomial. So I'll take one example. Let's say you have to multiply 4x multiplied by 2x plus 8y. How will I multiply? You all know distributive property. As there is a bracket, so this 4 will be multiplied by this also. 4x will be 2x and this 4x will also be multiplied by 8y. So it is 4x multiplied by 2x plus 4x multiplied by 8y. So what will be my answer? My answer will be 4 into 2, 8, x into x, x square. 4 into 8, 32, x into y, xy. That is my answer. I hope it's clear. Now let's multiply a monomial with a trinomial. So let us take, suppose I have minus 3x square y. That's my monomial. It has to be multiplied by 4x square y plus 3xy minus 8xy square. So big terms, let us multiply now. This will be multiplied by this, so I'll just directly multiply. Minus 3 into 4 will be minus 12. X square into x square, powers add up, 2 plus 2, 4. Y into y will be y square because 1 plus 1 the powers. Then again minus 3 into plus 3 will be minus 9. X cube and y square because here x is 2, this is 1. Here y is 1, this is also 1, 1 plus 1, 2 and 2 plus 1, 3 like that. Now minus 3 into minus 8 will be plus 24. You have to take care of the signs, integer multiplication. Then x square into x will be x cube and y into y square will be y cube. I hope this is also clear. Now let us multiply a binomial with a binomial. So how will we do? If I have an example 3x plus 5y multiplied by 5x minus 7y. So here you see you have two binomials. So first term of this binomial will be multiplied by both these two. So how will I write? 3x will be multiplied by 5x minus 7y. You are using distributive law of multiplication. Then this is plus, so plus will come over here, plus 5y will be multiplied by now 5x minus 7y. So each term will be multiplied by each term of the other binomial. So 3x into 5x will be 3 into 5, 15x into x, x square. 3 into 7 minus 21, x into y, xy, plus 5 into 5, 25, yx is yx only, 5 into 7 minus 35, and that's y square. Now we have to check whether there is any like term. So I think yes, these two are like terms because xy and yx are both like terms. So minus 21 plus 25, it will be 4xy minus 35y square. That's my answer. Hope it is clear. Let's take an example in which the first term has negative sign also. Let us take an example like this. If you have something like 3y minus 8 multiplied by 5y minus 1. There is a multiplication sign in between. I have not put over here because we are doing the product. So let's multiply 3y. Again will be multiplied by both 5y minus 1. Minus here I will write because this is having minus sign. Minus 8. This will be multiplied by 5y minus 1. So let us multiply. 3 into 5, 15, y into y, y square, minus 3y, minus 8 into 5, 40, and y, minus 8 into minus 1 will be plus 8. Again, we have these two like terms, so we will simplify it. So it will become 15y square minus 43y plus 8. This is the way we multiply all these things. Let us take one more example in which we will multiply a trinomial with a binomial. So let us do a trinomial with a binomial expression. So I have an example. Let's say x square minus 3x plus 7 is multiplied by 2x plus 3. So how we will do it? Every term of the trinomial we will take and multiply with the next polynomial. So whenever you have it's any number of terms, you take each term and multiply by the next polynomial, all terms of that. Sign you have to take care. Whatever sign is written over here before this term, you will use that. So it's minus 3x into 2x plus 3. Then it will be plus 7 into 2x plus 3. Let us go to the next step. X square into 2x is 2x cube. X square plus into 3 will be plus 3x square. Minus 3 into 2 will be 6. X square. This will be minus 9 x, then it is plus 7 and 2 will be plus 14x and plus 21. Let us check for like terms. Yeah, we do have like terms over here. This is 3x square minus 6x square, so it will become minus 3x square. Again we have like terms over here. So minus 9 plus 14 will be how much? It will be 5x. 14 minus 9 is 5 plus 21. Now no like term left over. So this is my answer. I hope all this multiplication is clear to you. Thank you for watching the video. We will come up with more videos.